Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Back up your emails and attachments to a local drive before deleting iCloud mail. Export important messages to a mailbox file or save attachments to a folder. Sign out of iCloud on every device that uses this email address. That prevents immediate lockouts and sync conflicts during deletion. Note that deleting your iCloud mail address permanently removes messages, aliases, and access. Understand that recovery may not be possible after deletion, so verify backups carefully before you proceed. Open a secure browser and go to Apple. Then sign in with your Apple ID. Navigate to Data and Privacy and choose Manage Your Data to continue. Select the option Delete Your Account to start the removal process. Follow the on-screen steps carefully and confirm your identity when prompted by Apple. Download any remaining data or export mailboxes when the site offers that option before finalizing the deletion. Keep your authentication methods handy for verification during the process. After Apple confirms deletion, remove the old iCloud address from all mail apps and account settings. Update account credentials on websites and services that use the deleted email for logins. Notify frequent contacts and subscriptions about your new email address to avoid missed messages. If you still need Apple services, consider creating a new Apple ID or add an alternate email to your existing account. Check purchases and iCloud storage plans and migrate any remaining files to the new account or local.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.